What's going on, everyone? It is what's the date today? Well, it's 12:09. It's a Friday. Um, hold up. And I'm going to start recording on my phone for a little bit, just cause my computer is acting weird. It doesn't matter what Wi-Fi I'm on, it just won't upload to YouTube. So I'm gonna try it on my phone. Try uploading on my phone. So yeah. I'm going to go do arms with Willie later. Um, I'm eating some like eggs, ham, and onions, and this will be my second serving. And yeah, I'll see you in the next clip. Peace. What's up, guys? So it is Monday. It is the new year, 2018, first day of the new year. Happy New Year. This video will be going up. But I did legs today already with Willie. I had a pretty eventful, pretty busy morning, so that's why I didn't get a chance to record. But anyway, like I said, I did legs with Willie, but I haven't eaten yet. I didn't eat before legs, and it's already 1:13, so that's why this meal is pretty big. So I have 3 whole eggs right here with about, I'd say, 10 ounces of meat right here, 8 or 10 ounces of meat, and I got 120 grams of oats with 2 scoops of peanut butter and a crap load of honey. And then I got a protein shake. I have 4 scoops of protein in there. With each scoop only has 12 grams of protein, so it's only like 42 grams of protein or 44 grams of protein, and it has 4 scoops protein in here, couple, like 2 handfuls of blackberries and 1 banana and some whole milk, and that's about it. So yeah, I'm gonna eat that. I'm gonna watch this show I've been watching. It's really funny. I forgot what it was called though. I'll let you know in the next clip. Anyway, I'll see you later. Peace. First meal of the day, basically the same as yesterday except without the protein shake. I'll drink that after the gym. And I believe Willie and I are gonna go to the gym at either 3 or 4. We'll see. So I'll see you in the next clip. Peace. Meal 2. Just a can of tuna. And yeah. Needed some carbs in this meal, so this is still part of meal 2. What's up, guys? So I'm at the gym now. Willie got off, I'd say like 10 minutes ago. He's at his house. He's like showering and stuff. So I'm gonna wait for him here. I'm probably gonna go in and just like warm up my shoulders and stuff, cause it's chest today, and you know I don't want to fuck up my shoulders. Like, we already got enough problems, you know. So yeah, I'll see you at the workout. Peace. What's up, guys? So you saw that my physique update, and you saw what I have for breakfast this morning. I have 4 eggs and 2 pieces of French toast. That was it for breakfast. I'm leaving a little earlier than I usually do today, so I gotta go help my mother with some stuff, and then I'm gonna go to the gym. Think I might like play basketball and do abs before Willie gets there. We have shoulders. We're doing shoulders today. So, yep. See you next clip. Peace.
But yeah,
It's 12.
go, dude. I'm gonna get everyone in the fucking gym. Dude, they're just kicking away. Hi. How you doing? Oh, good. I'm fucking around. Fucking powerlifter. Hey guys, we forgot to do fucking record flies. We did 5 sets of 12. Here you go. We fucking did it.
Ready?
Yeah, Miles, go.
Alright. Oh.
Dude, it's actually hot in here because there's so many people.
I think that's hot, bro.
How much did you take?
Just 1 scoop.
Oh.
So you gotta start pre-activating it like this.
Can you just do the workout? Five sets of 12.